They're playing bubbles, another bubble. Somebody's playing bubbles down there. There they are right there. These bubbles are coming all the way up here. That's kind of cool. So anyways, this is overlooking the Macau Tower, dog park, and so much more. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, the sidewalk just stopped right there. And the reason because it stopped right there is because I'm in a dog park. So I thought I could pass through this dog park, and but I can't. It's completely enclosed. Actually, it's kind of interesting because it means that for people with kids or whatever, you could bring your kids here and just let them. You can sit here, and they don't have to watch them so closely. What's this? There's also some this is out here too. Let's just see what all this is. So you can actually eat in this restaurant. There's these beautiful flowers here. So yeah, actually this is entirely enclosed. I had to walk through 2 gates to get in here, and it looks like sometimes they might lock them up at certain times. And it said it's a dog park. And up here there's like some other park. I don't know what this is either. But yeah, Macau has a lot of parks. That water you can and there's another one that's enclosed here too. And I'm just gonna walk through and show you all these different enclosures. So here's one enclosure. Let's just see what it says. General pets dog area. Okay, so you're supposed to be able to bring your dogs, I guess, in here. Okay, pick up after your dog, I guess. And here's another one, pet puppies area. So I guess there's like, maybe there's puppies, small dogs, and that one's some bigger dogs. And I guess I just happened to be here at a time when fortunately there's no dogs. Oh, they're talking about bull terriers. Okay, all these different animals. Oh, here we go. So dangerous dogs are not allowed, so you can't bring in things like oh, you can see this if I bring it in a little closer. There you go. All right, so that's a dog park, completely enclosed. Yeah, I guess originally I thought it may be for kids, but I guess it's entirely for dogs. Originally I was going to try to walk over here, but I found out that I can't get over here, so instead we're going to go up ahead, go up above, and we can kind of walk around up there. So maybe I'll just take the camera with me. You can see another slice of Macau. You can see the types of trees that we have here. Alright, so there's only 2 ways to go, up or down, or an emergency. So this kind of goes so we completely see everything all around us, and then you can go down this way, but I'm going to go around the other way. Yeah, you can go this way, and you can go all the way down there, and I'm going to go over the big overpass myself though. Oh, there's some big bubbles that are coming all the way up here. See that bubble? Yes, they're playing bubbles, another bubble. Somebody's playing bubbles down there. There they are right there. These bubbles are coming all the way up here. That's kind of cool. So anyways, this is overlooking the Macau Tower, dog park, and so much more. I was going to walk across this road, but I think this might be the more interesting part. So maybe we'll conclude right here.